Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Instagram, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. Then just click on the bottom right side corner, that is your profile icon. And here you can see, so basically just go to the home and you have to just go to the chat section. And here on the top right side corner, you can see the plus icon. So just click on the plus icon and here you have to select the person with whom you want to create a group chat, right? So basically if I want to just create with this guy, or for example if I want to select this one, and after that I want to have only three people, right? So I will just click on here chat, and if you want to use this, use end-to-end encryption. That is for the privacy, for the safety, and you can turn it. It depends upon you, right? And then just click on the chat. And this is it guys. Now here you can just like this, you can just create a group chat over Instagram, and this is pretty easy. So if you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you guys for watching.